Hello and welcome. Thank you for watching my video today. I'm here down at White Rock Beach. Beautiful view. Absolutely, the sunset's ready to go down. I'm enjoying myself. What a beautiful day. On Pink Day. Pink Shirt Day. Yes, anti-bullying day. But that's not my topic today. I'm talking about environment. I'm talking about climate change. I'm here down at White Rock Beach and the beautiful ocean in front of us. Now, I've heard so many different stories, different thoughts, talking about Greta and different other people that are joining the bandwagon about climate change. But how about talking about changing the way we are doing things, means changing our feelings and our thoughts and our behaviors surrounding climate change. So it starts with who? Means it starts with myself. I can change the way I do things in life. For example, I drive a car, I cook food, I breathe, I walk, I run, I do all these different things that create CO2, for example. Those are just everyday normal things. Everybody knows and everybody's doing it. For example, all the different things I'm throwing away, all the garbage, all the plastic, everything, means changing the way I do things. Starts with me. Means self. I can't change anybody else. I can't change anybody's behavior. I can only change the way I do things and how I feel. It's not big business. It means I'm going to blame big business or corporations, whatever it may be. Blame the government. If I blame the government, it means I'm not taking responsibility for my own life, for my own surroundings. It means my own surroundings where I am now. When we change the way we think and our thoughts, it changes the way we behave. So change the way I feel. Starts with me. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye for now.